Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to remove a previous theme in WordPress on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to your WordPress website that you want to remove the previous theme on, click on dashboard. Now go to WordPress, then click on overview. Now go to the security tab and scroll down to installed themes. And as you see, now I have the Astra theme used, which is this one. And let's say I've used this 2025 theme before this. And now that I like this Astra theme, I will remove this one. So click on this little delete bin icon and select and click on delete. They are now deleting this theme and it was successfully deleted. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. And it was successfully deleted. As you see, I can't delete active themes. So what you need to do is to go back to the overview page, click on WordPress admin button to directly log into your WordPress dashboard again. Go to themes or appearance, then themes, and select any other theme on your website just to make the Astra theme inactive. Now go back to the WordPress tab, overview, or go straight to security. Scroll down to the installed themes. And as you see now, I think, yes, I need to still refresh this page in order to Hostinger to update the activate themes. Now click on this little delete or bin icon next to your previous theme and you can delete it. And this is how to delete a previous theme on WordPress in Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.